In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to append queries in Power BI. Appending queries is a quick way to stack data from one table underneath another so you can analyze everything together. Think of it like taking two spreadsheets with the same columns and piling their rows into a single list. This is different from merging, which matches rows side by side. Append simply adds more rows to the bottom. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app and head into one of your existing reports. On the left side of the screen, switch to the table view, also called the data view. This gives you a clear look at the tables that are already part of your report. Now find the table you want to work with, right-click it, and choose Edit Query. That opens the Power Query Editor, which is where all the combining and shaping of data happens. At the top of the Power Query window, look for the Append Queries command on the ribbon. Click that and you'll be asked to choose between two tables or three or more tables. Pick the option that fits what you need today. If you're stacking one table onto another, the two table option is perfect. If you have several tables, choose the three or more option so you can add each one in a single step. Next, select the table or tables you want to append to your original table. As you make your selections, keep in mind that append works best when the tables share the same column names and data types. Matching columns will line up automatically, and any columns that don't match will still come through, but they'll create separate columns and may show nulls where data doesn't exist. If you see that, it's usually a sign that a column header is spelled differently or a data type needs to be aligned. Once your selection looks right, click OK. You'll immediately see the preview update in the Power Query Editor with rows from your selected tables combined together. Scan the preview to confirm that the columns align the way you expect and that the row counts make sense. If something looks off, you can adjust your choices and try again. That's all there is to appending queries in Power BI. It's a simple, reliable way to bring related data sets together so you can build visuals and measures on a single unified table. Use it whenever you have similarly structured data split across multiple sources, like monthly exports, regional files, or year-over-year logs.